Hi, I'm Balázs Pejó, a computer scientist from University of Luxembourg, and my research goal is to find out if someone's cheating or not, in relation with outsourced computational tasks. For example, if you have some data and you would like to do some hard computation on it, it would take ages with your personal computer. It is possible to ask Google to do the job for you, in which case you will obtain the results way faster. The problem with this is the trust. How do you know if Google giving you back the correct results? Or if your data is sensitive? How do you know that Google is indeed respecting your privacy? So to tackle these problems during the last few decades, various mathematical tools emerged, but the problem with those is they are still inefficient when used on big data sets. So even with the computational power of Google, it would take a long time to compute the same computation in a safe manner. So what we are doing is using game theory instead of cryptography to achieve similar goals. So we developed the game theory framework, which can help to determine the minimal amount of payment which would ensure the correctness. And in the future, we would like to tackle the privacy also with the help of game theory.